So Samsung's wide foldable is dropping July 22, and it's being built specifically to take on the foldable iPhone. Supply chain leakers have been toying crazy with details ahead of Unpacked, and honestly, some of these features are genuinely impressive. Here are the 5 things worth getting excited about. Feature 1. Zero Feel Crease. This is the big one. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 already had one of the least noticeable creases on any foldable, but Samsung apparently wasn't done. Rumors say the Fold 8 Wide could come with what's being called a Zero Feel Crease. You'll still see it if you look for it, but you won't be able to feel it with your finger. The original plan was to stick with the Fold 7's crease level, which was already great, but Samsung reportedly pushed further. Think Oppo Find N6 level, which was widely praised when it launched earlier this year. Feature 2. 7.6-inch 4:3 ratio display. The wide Fold 8 ditches the tall, square inner screen of traditional foldables for a 7.6-inch display with a 4:3 aspect ratio. Unfolded, it looks like a small tablet, a more natural shape for content, and easier to pocket than the bigger Fold 7 screen. Worth noting, the foldable iPhone is also rumored to rock the exact same wide aspect ratio, so these two phones are going head-to-head on the exact same form factor. Feature 3. Around 200 grams. Genuinely lightweight. Foldables have always had a weight problem. Leaks suggest the wide Fold 8 could land at around 200 grams, paired with dimensions of 123.9 by 161.4 by 4.99 millimeters unfolded and 123.9 by 82.2 by 9.8 millimeters folded. This is shaping up to be a foldable you'd actually want to carry every day. That weight target plus the compact folded size makes a real difference in the pocket. Feature 4. 45-watt charging and 4800 mAh battery. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 topped out at 25-watt wired. The Fold 8 Wide is rumored to jump all the way to 45-watt, nearly double. Paired with an approximately 4800 mAh battery, that's a meaningful upgrade on both speed and capacity. Battery life should comfortably hit a full day or beyond, depending on your usage. Feature 5. Dual camera, 50-megapixel main and 50-megapixel ultra-wide. No telephoto on this model. That's a deliberate strategic call. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra handles the premium multi-lens camera tier as the direct Fold 7 successor. For the wide model, a high-quality 50-megapixel lens is more than enough to produce sharp, social media-ready shots without the added bulk of a zoom lens. Zero Feel Crease, 7.6-inch 4:3 display, 200 grams lightweight build, 45-watt fast charging with a 4800 mAh battery, and a clean dual 50-megapixel camera setup. All of that on July 22nd in London, going straight at the foldable iPhone on the exact same wide aspect ratio. Which of these 5 features matters most to you? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe so you're ready when Unpacked actually happens, and I'll see you in the next one. We want you to stay with us by subscribing and share your valuable feedback through comments. See you in the next video.